Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to delete zeros on our Excel sheet. So, in this case I have the same table that I used for the last tutorial, right? Deleting the zeros is something really easy that we can do in a really few seconds. So please follow these instructions. The first thing that you're going to do is to click on File. Now you're going to Options and Advanced. Once that you're here in Advanced, what you have to do is to scroll down until Display Options for this worksheet, right? So what you're going to do right here is to unselect this option which says Show a zero in cells that have zero value. Well, once you have pressed on this button, you're going to press on OK, and as you can see, the zero value have disappeared. So is this easy for real? Basically, that's all the tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.